Hey guys, I'm Sharon, and today I'm going to show you how to create a logo for your restaurant business. Having a brand identity is a crucial part in owning a restaurant. And before we get started, I've gathered for you some inspiration from the industry's best leaders, which you can look over here. So the first thing you want to consider is an icon. Now, most restaurants actually don't have icons in their logos because it can really limit the association of your restaurant to one type of food. Instead of using an icon, I'd recommend using styled initials, which will look really, really great. The next thing on your list is fonts, and fonts are just like people. They have personality, so you really want it to match the style of your restaurant. For example, if you're a fancy, up-class type of place, then you want the font to match it, and then I'd go with something like Script. But if you're more of a trendy, welcoming vibe, then go with something handwritten, just like this. The next thing is the colors. Now, most restaurants actually stick to black or gray because it's neutral. But if you want to use colors, then stick to the obvious. Like red for meat, blue for seafood, or vegetarian, then stick to gray. So I think we're all set and we're ready to create the logo for your restaurant. Let's head over to taylorbrands.com and type the name of your business, for example, Kitchen Salon. Okay, enter industry, that would be easy, that's restaurant. And telling a bit more can help actually creating a more specified logo. So for example, we're a local restaurant that serves fresh ingredients every day. Next. So, like I said, initial base would be a really great choice for a restaurant. So I'm going to click initial base. And now we can just start clicking on the fonts that suit us better. So here I'm thinking I'm going with this one. And the more script style. I like this one. This is a tough choice. I'm going to take that one. The left one. Okay. Now I'm really, really excited to see what's going to come out. Okay, that's really, really nice. I have this one, which is the one that's got generated, and all these other ones on the left, which I can choose from, which are all really, really pretty. Kitchen Salon, it looks amazing. I can't wait to see it in live. And I'm gonna love it and buy it. And that's it. Thanks guys for watching. Be sure to invite us to your restaurant.